Hello guys, welcome to my new video. So we're going to play Minecraft and I'm going to show you how to make working cannon, like automatic cannon. So let's get started. So the items that we need is observer and dispenser, and a redstone dust, and you can just any one of these pressure plates. So I just use this stone one. And we need this one. Okay. So the first thing you will do is you will dig down like 2 blocks like this. Okay, here we go. So put the redstone here, and I forgot something. We'll be needing a sticky piston, and put it here and here. The next step is getting an observer. Put here, and let's cover this with something, any block you want. So I'll just choose a stone brick here. Let's put this observer here, like this. Okay, here we go. And put this stone brick stairs like this. Put this dispenser here, and let's step in it. So you can hear the sound, it's not stopping. So as you can see, this is our cannon, and we will be trying with the arrows and the fire charges. Now let's first try an arrow like this. Let me get some more. Okay. Okay, this is enough. So here we go. Now are we ready? Wait a minute. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and step. Okay guys, here we go. So as you can see, this is our cannon. So let's try with the fire charges. Later I will just choose a mob and let's try it how it is effective using it to kill a mob. So let's put this fire charge in here. Okay. So let's do it one more. Okay. So we're ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Look at the fire charges, we're slow. So let's get back to there. And you can also try so I'm going to show you something. You can get a netherrack. Where was that? Okay, it's here. You can put it here and here. Okay. Here we go. So let's put some arrows. Okay, so and get some flint and steel. Okay, and put here. So let's check what will happen if we put this fire and shoot it. Of course, you know. So hit the cow wrongly and it dies. So let's check how it's effective to use from the mobs. Okay, so let's get one, not pillager but ravager. Okay, this mob is strong though. Okay, now time to shoot. You can see it's hitting. So we'll just do it like this. So if it's not dying, it's time for us to. And as you can see, this SAR cannon. We have a cooked beef. Can't remember, we just killed the cow wrongly. So you can add some more things in this cannon, like you can cover yourself. Just get an iron block like this. Okay, like a tank. Okay, like this. You can cover yourself or do whatever you want, so protect yourself, and you can put any glass you want. So I just choose the normal glass like this, put here and watch like this, and where was that? Okay, it's here. You cannot choose the pressure plate also, you can choose also lever, because when sometimes you wrongly press it, like you wrongly step in it, and you can kill your friend with this cannon. So let's put this so it will be safe, because when you step nothing happens. So the best thing is using lever. Now we'll be going to put one not one ravager, like two. Okay, now shoot them. Yeah, watch that.
Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout, and fame.